Well, hello. Welcome back. So this week is going to be another writing paper week. So it's kind of the same deal. This is lab 6, by the way. So do your lecture in lab or discussion board. And then, yeah, you're going to write a paper on interview preparation. You may have noticed if you look ahead, the final assignment in this class is actually to do an interview with me. I thought it might be a fun little exercise, and it does prepare you, for when you enter the job market. And some of you may already have, but practice still makes perfect. Me and my wife, when she has an interview coming up, every time I've always been sitting there interviewing her over and over again. And the more times we do it, the better she gets. So I'm pretty convinced that doing a few runs with me, it never hurts. And basically the way this class is treated, if you for whatever reason didn't do well in the interview, we could always redo it. But anyways, that's down the road. So for now, you're just looking at preparing for this interview, and I guess in general, future interviews with companies. So I want you to write a paper on it, and it's very, again, loosely interpreted as just write a one-page report about it. I just want to see that you're, thinking about it in a good way, in a healthy way, and planning on doing well in the workforce. So I just want to hear you talk about it. So basically, if you do go, though, there's a link. You can click on it, and it'll basically give you a checklist of what to do to prepare. But during this checklist, you see all these little hyperlinks, and man, these are golden. If you really want to get a good study in, click on these and read about these articles that it brings you to. Every one of these articles takes you to some kind of thing about another article, and you can basically just keep on reading. And by the end, you should have a pretty good grasp on what it takes to successfully nail an interview. And I know some people have nervous issues. Lord, I feel that. But, like there's some things you can do to help circumvent issues like that. So I just want you to read. And, you don't have to go through every one of these if you don't want, but I just found this to be a good website. So you're welcome to jump through and consume as much or as little as you want to. When you're done, turn it in and report back next week. All right. Thanks for watching.